Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm evertonrbraga from the Web channel and welcome to another class of our React course. And in this class we're gonna learn how to build our header, okay? Um, so let's get started. First, we're gonna here we're gonna open the folder header. First of all, I built my application using the commands I I already passed to you, yarn start or npm run start, okay, and I built it here. I have it, and then opening the components and header index, we're gonna start to build our header. One thing I'd like to recommend, if you want, is to download an extension of React called ES7 React Redux GraphQL. You just search here and install, and it's very simple. And then if you if you do that, you will have some code snippets that will help a lot when we start to build our code, okay. uh, for example, here inside index.js, if I type rafc and press tab, the code snippet from that extension complete the code for me. So here I'm using functional component, and we have the option of using class component too, but class component is kind of more old way to in order to build React applications. Functional components or React hooks is the most modern way we use in order to build our applications. Okay, and here I put header. Okay, and let's call the structure of our header. Dot header, pressing tab. The VS Code create a div with class name header. Class name because is the way React declare class. The class we use in HTML. In React, class is a reserved word, and React doesn't allow us to use class. We have to use class name, but that's the same thing. Okay, and inside here, I will create an image with the class logo, and below I will create another image with the class GIF. Okay, here in assets I have two images. I have catchwars.webp Star Wars logo. That images are available on my GitHub. I will put the link in the description, and you can get it too. Okay, and then after doing that, let's import the images. And first of all, import logo from assets Star Wars logo .svg. We have to import all the name, okay. Import catch wars from assets catch wars webp, okay. And then after doing that, let's import. First of them is logo, source logo. We have to use curly braces here because it's the way React understand our dynamic resources. In out is a description. In out we could say Star Wars logo. In the case the image doesn't render, the text that we put here will appear instead of the image in case of problem, and that's great for accessibility, okay. So let's write here Star Wars logo, and below catch wars and Star Wars GIF, and below let's create a button with a class name salmon button, salmon btn, okay, plus info. All right, basically we finish our header. Let's save, and if we check in our page, we nothing changed, okay. It's because we don't import it in our main file. The main file is app.js. So here I will import the header, import header. Oops. Here I like to remove export here and put here below export default. It's better because our code will be more cleaner. It's better. I like more than the dynamic imports. Dynamic imports, we, for example, we'll do something like that, but with the export default, we don't need to import header from accessing components and header, and we don't have to call index.js. Index.js, React understand, is the main file, and it was imported automatically, okay. Okay, here let's write header. Header H is in uppercase because header is a component, okay. And when we import components, we use a self-closed tag. It's a pattern of React components. So for ordinary tags like div, we have to open and close. It's the normal HTML, but in React, when we work with components, we have to do it that way. Okay, let's save, and let's wait. Okay, and here we have our header, okay. Let's let's uh, let's leave the header in that way. Uh, in this lesson, okay. This lesson, the intention of this lesson is build the header structure, but the next class we will style our header, okay. I hope you like. If you like, you just like the video and subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next lesson.